Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have, surprise surprise, another Trane. So pretty much this AC is not kicking on. Okay, when I got here, the compressor is not turning on. When I got here, the outdoor fan was running. It's fine. The indoor blower is running, but the compressor was not on. The compressor start kit is fine. The compressor run capacitor is fine, so that is not the issue, but it still won't start. Okay, so you put it on your start, not on your common. Don't put it on the common. You want to put it on the start winding, and you put it in inrush like we did there. It's got to say inrush current up there, and then go ahead and plug it in. And then if you have to, you could just carefully push that contactor in. Did you hear that? The compressor tried to start, right? It made like a humming noise. It was like, and then it didn't. You see here, 150 amps. Right? If we come over here to the manufacturer's specifications, you go to the compressor, right? 145 amps or more is locked rotor amps, LRA. So we're at 150, so that means that this compressor has a locked rotor. So that's pretty much it. It's just another way. Compressors have various ways they can go out. I think I've uploaded a compressor that is grounded, that you literally read continuity between any one of the windings and a ground. That was my first video. A second video was a three-phase motor that is reading resistance or ohms to a ground, which is also, both of those two scenarios will trip the breaker. This third scenario is the compressor is not tripping the breaker, but it's not starting up. And well, this is how you diagnose the third way, or a third way that a compressor can go bad, which is 150 amps is more than what the manufacturer states is a locked rotor amperage, LRA. It's 145 and it's 150. So if you hear it humming, your amps are higher than what the manufacturer recommends, then you essentially have a locked rotor, and that compressor needs to be changed out. Okay, well, there is another way of how to diagnose a compressor. I think the fourth way that I see that a compressor goes bad, I haven't made a video yet, but it's called a high resistance failure. And well, I'm yet to do that one. I'm sure I will find one this summer. So yeah, that's how you diagnose that. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.